Cross-site request forgery attack. Cross-site request forgery attacks exploit web page vulnerabilities that allow an attacker to force an unsuspecting user's browser to send malicious requests they did not intend. The victim user holds an active session with a trusted site and simultaneously visits a malicious site, which injects an HTTP request for the trusted site into the victim user's session, compromising its integrity. How CSRF attacks work: get and post methods. The user logs into a trusted server using his credentials. The server sets a session cookie in the user's browser. The attacker sends a phishing mail tricking the user to send a request to a malicious site. The user requests a page from the malicious server. The response page contains malicious code. Malicious code is executed in the trusted server. Learn cross-site request forgery attack in EC Council's Web Application Hacking and Security course. Register today.